We build our best world. Many people share a deep curiosity about the enigmatic force that governs our thoughts, our actions, and ultimately our destiny. How do some people travel deep into the recesses of the subconscious to return with keys that unlock abundance, prosperity, and even wealth? What if a secret unlocking mechanism exists? As we proceed through this captivating journey, we'll unveil some ancient wisdom that holds the secret to attracting wealth into our lives. We'll reveal nearly effortless ways. We make decisions daily, so perhaps we can decide to control our financial reality. Experiences shape our conscious beliefs. So, what shifts our subconscious beliefs? Let's explore one way to answer this question. Let's embark upon an extraordinary voyage as we unlock secrets to reframe the subconscious mind. Want to learn how to attract wealth with effortlessness and unwavering certainty? Shall we embark on this transformative quest? Yes? Then, let's decode the magical recipe. Step 1. The subconscious mind is our fertile garden. Now that we ignited the spark of curiosity, let's delve deeper into the transformative world of our subconscious mind. Remember, step 1 on our journey to financial abundance involves understanding our hidden power within. Think of our subconscious mind as our fertile garden. Deep beneath our garden's surface, rich soil teems with life and potential. But like weeds, limiting beliefs can take root and choke out our financial dreams. So, our first task is to clear these weeds and to prepare the soil to grow our garden. But fear not, for we hold the tools to uproot these weeds and to free our fertile soil. Let's explore some powerful techniques to help each of us to transform our limiting beliefs. Now, if thoughts or concerns arise of, how do I access my subconscious? Then let's eliminate those worries. It's simple. Like a gentle breeze whispering through the leaves, here are some practices that gently nudge our subconscious into thought forms of abundance. 1. Gratitude is our golden shovel. A few minutes each day, we should develop the habit to appreciate our existing abundance, big or small. This sends a powerful message to our subconscious that we have some abundance upon which to expand and that we're worthy of more abundance. Imagine sunlight nourishing our metaphorical seeds. 2. Affirmations are our magic seeds. We can and we should develop the habit to repeat positive statements about our financial goals. The more we declare, I am worthy of receiving wealth, the more such thoughts strengthen within our subconscious frameworks. Think of it as planting positive seeds in our garden. 3. Visualization is our watering can. We can and we should develop the habit to picture ourselves achieving our financial goals in vivid detail. When we do this, we see ourselves as thriving, secure, and abundant. This visualization acts like life-giving water, which grows our seeds into our desired future, our metaphorical garden. Remember, daily practice of these exercises cultures our inner garden. With time, our consistent effort produces our desired outcome. Trust that by nurturing our subconscious thought forms about our desired future, we set the stage for our financial transformation into such a future. Step 2. Transform limiting beliefs. Diligently. During step 1, we tended to our subconscious gardens with gratitude, affirmations, and visualization. Now, in step 2 of our lesson, we uncover and transform limiting beliefs that would sabotage our financial abundance. Categorize limiting beliefs and negative thoughts as stubborn weeds, deeply rooted in our subconscious. They must go, because we refuse to allow anything to sabotage our success. Examples include, I'm not good enough, money is hard to come by, or I don't deserve wealth. These weeds can choke out our financial dreams before they reach the light of day. At an innate level, we possess the tools to uproot these weeds. And, as we remove such thought sabotage weeds, this allows our desired thoughts to grow strong enough that in time, they replace them. let's explore some powerful techniques to help each of us to transform our limiting beliefs. 1. Become a belief detective. Recognize our money-related thoughts and our self-talk. What negative beliefs emerge? Write them down without judgment, like identifying different types of weeds in our garden. 2. Challenge the weeds. Question the validity of every limiting belief. Does a belief link to facts or to fear? Ask, what is the truth? Or, where did this belief originate? 3. Replant with affirmations. Once we challenge our limiting beliefs, replace each with positive affirmations that empower us. Instead of, I'm not good enough, say, I am worthy of abundance. Or instead of, I'm not wealthy right now, point to the eyes that stare back in the mirror and declare, it's time for me to live a wealthy life. Say it as a statement of fact. Repeat these affirmations daily. Think of it as planting new seeds in a very long row of our garden. Leverage the power of togetherness. See others gardening nearby, planting the same seeds that will grow into the same crop. Why? Because millions of others across the world indeed are planting the same metaphorical seeds. Feed on the strength that togetherness creates. Remember, transforming limiting beliefs takes time and dedication. Be patient with yourself and celebrate even small victories. As we continue to challenge and to replace thought weeds, we start to notice a shift in our mindset and our very relationship with money. Next, let's explore powerful techniques to activate our subconscious mind's wellspring of abundance. Step 3. Activate our subconscious mind as a magnet for abundance. Financial alchemists diligently tended our subconscious gardens, weeding out limiting beliefs and planting seeds of abundance. Now, in Step 3, we unlock the secret to activating our subconscious mind for ultimate financial attraction. Imagine the subconscious as a powerful reservoir, brimming with potential to attract abundance. But sometimes, negative emotions or limiting beliefs block the flow. This third step helps to remove these blockages and activate the flow of prosperity like a rushing river. Ready to dive in? Here are 3 powerful techniques to awaken the subconscious wealth magnet. 1. Gratitude. Flow. During this exercise, we visualize waves of gratitude emanating from our heart and flowing outward to our head, our arms, and our legs. This gratitude acts like a gentle flowing energy that clears negativity and activates our abundance potentials. 2. Abundance. Meditation. Find a quiet space and close the physical eyes. Imagine experiencing sensations of immersion within abundance and prosperity, flowing waterfalls of wealth, bountiful fields of opportunity, or whatever else symbolizes abundance. Breathe deeply and soak in the feeling of abundance. Imagine activating the subconscious mind to attract it in our future reality. 3. Hypnotic affirmations. Explore guided hypnosis or self-hypnosis recordings, specifically designed to activate the subconscious for wealth attraction. These recordings use repetitive positive affirmations and imagery during a state of mind which bypasses our conscious mind to reprogram our subconscious for abundance. Remember, activating our subconscious involves a continuous process. Practice with these techniques, find what resonates, and remain patient. With consistent practice, a shift in our energy occurs, as if activating our pre-existing magnetic pull towards financial abundance. In the next step, we'll dive into practical action steps to align our conscious mind with our newly activated subconscious. Recognize that true financial transformation requires both inner work and outer action. So stay tuned, keep activating the flows of abundance, and get ready to witness the magic unfold. Step 4. Bridging the gap, aligning actions with our abundant mindset. We came a long way in our lesson to harness the power of our subconscious mind for abundance. We cultivated fertile soil. We uprooted limiting beliefs. And we activated the flow of prosperity within. Now, in our 4th step, we bridge the gap between our empowered mindset and the vibrant and physical world of abundance. Remember, attracting wealth involves more than simply wishful thinking. It involves aligning our thoughts and actions to create a harmonious symphony that attracts new opportunities and new successes. Think of aligning our thoughts and actions as comparable to building a bridge from our inner garden of abundance to the bustling marketplace of possibilities. 3 key steps help to ensure that we build a sturdy bridge that leads us each to our desired destination. 1. Take inspired action. Don't underestimate the power of small, aligned actions. Start by identifying one step for today, a step that reflects our strengthened mindset of abundance. Perhaps updated resume for a new job? Researched a new income source? Connected with other professionals in our field? Financial freedom? Learned budget saving strategies? Every small step moves us a little further across our bridge, ever closer to our destination. 2. Embrace opportunities with open arms. As we take aligned action, we should remain open to unexpected opportunities. Perhaps it's a chance to learn a new skill, network with someone interesting, or even say yes to some opportunity at the edge of our comfort zone. Trust intuition and remain open to where the flow of abundance might lead. Here at Better World Zone, we teach to invite opportunities by declaring or something better both throughout and while concluding each of our future time point exercises. 3. Celebrate every milestone. It's easy to get caught up in the final goal, but remember to celebrate every victory along the way. Did we end the week with a little more free cash? Did we land an interview for our dream job? Acknowledge progress, big or small, because each step forward strengthens our bridge and fuels our abilities to attract and to grow our abundance. Bridging the gap between your mindset and actions might not happen overnight. Remain patient, celebrate progress, and trust that aligned steps draw us ever closer to our financial dreams. Step 5. Integrating abundance into our daily life. As we explore this 5th step in our continuous transformation, remember, true wealth emerges as a result of integrating these practices into our daily life. Think of this 5th step as moving beyond a script. Moving beyond ideas and into an implementation phase holds great power, especially with regard to implementation of these techniques. Implementation of these techniques plants metaphorical thought from seeds into fertile soil. Daily practice waters those seeds until they grow into mature plants that bear fruit. So how do we integrate abundance into our life? Some guiding principles. 1. Make gratitude a habit. Gratitude exists as both a technique and a way of life. Journal about daily blessings and to express appreciation to loved ones. Remember, a grateful heart attracts abundance. 2. Affirmations involve a journey. Don't just repeat affirmations, embody them. Choose affirmations that resonate with inner values and repeat them with conviction. Let them guide our thoughts, words, and actions. 3. Visualization as a tool, not an escape. Use visualization to fuel motivation and clarity. But remember, the next step, to take aligned action, even small steps, to bridge the gap that enables us to walk our dreams across the bridge into reality. 4. Beliefs. Change with time. Limiting beliefs can resurface. Don't feel discouraged. View such as opportunities to strengthen our belief muscle. Challenge them with logic and positive affirmations. 5. Abundance involves a mindset, not only a destination. Financial security exists as part of the ultimate goal. Cultivate a mindset of abundance that extends beyond material possessions. Share blessings. Contribute to the community. Find joy in the journey. Remember, financial transformation entails a personal journey. Don't compare personal progress to others' progress. Remain patient. Celebrate even small victories. Trust the power of the subconscious mind and aligned actions. May this training renew, energize, and reinvigorate us on our journey to attract increased abundance. As we refocus our thoughts and actions daily, we increase our momentum in merging our outer world with our inner world. This beautiful alignment allows us to attract and to grow the greater levels of abundance which we desire. To this end, Better World Zone provides valuable insights to accelerate all of us on our pathway to success. To maintain forward momentum and to unlock even more abundance, we invite everyone to hit the like button. Also, leave a comment about how you want to apply these principles of success in your life. Every like and constructive comment helps to empower others to recognize additional opportunities in their lives. For more tips on financial manifestation, subscribe to Better World Zone to receive notifications of Better World Zone's new videos with our treasure trove of resources to propel your journey to greater abundance and success. Together, let's create a ripple effect of abundance, empowering ourselves and each other to manifest our wildest dreams. Thanks for being a part of this journey. Always remember, tremendous abilities reside within each of us. We hold the responsibility to use our abilities to build our best world, for ourselves and for posterity.